In this video, I'm going to change your mind on what you think about spruce top ukuleles. This one is a KoAloha KCO-10S. That right there is why you're going to change your mind. The incredible sustain, volume, tone of spruce wood. But not yet. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. That way you get alerted on all the videos we post here. We just posted a great video on how to solo. We got tutorials. We got reviews, challenges, giveaways, all that kind of stuff right here at ukelikethepros. And then when you're here, if you're digging what I'm doing, make sure to smash that like button. All right. Spruce top is not really let me put it this way. Artists love it. Builders love it. Most consumers don't love it. And I know why. Because they don't understand the sound of these things. Because if you look at it, it's kind of plain. It's kind of plain. And it's very much like a guitar when you look at guitar tops. So I don't think the ukulele community is drawn to it as much as they are with koa wood or mahogany wood or something that has a little bit more stuff. I mean, look at this. Oh, I'll get to that in a second. But sound-wise, player-wise, they love it because the tone Tell me right now in the comments below, what is your perception of spruce tops right now? I mean, do you like it? Do you not know anything about it? Do you not like them? Let me know. Leave a comment below on that. So, all right, this though is a KoAloha KCO-10S. This is their concert version. This is an Opio. This one is made in their Thailand factory. It's all solid wood, which is fantastic. It sounds good. Concert size, yeah, absolutely great. Let me show you a little bit. I'm gonna do some playing, strumming, some finger picking. We're gonna go to all the dimensions as well on this great ukulele. All right, so I already shown you this, but it's a solid spruce top. The Eagleman spruce. It's really gorgeous. It's really kind of plain, which is kind of cool. Some of it you can see a little bit of lines. This one happens just to be a really nice clean piece. And I'll tell you about the tone here in a second. All solid acacia wood, sides and back, and the butt as well. Now this is some sapwood right here. So this is just the younger part of the tree. Not all of these have this on it, but this one happens to. Some people like the sapwood. I don't know. What do you think? Do you like the sapwood? Some people like the way it looks. Some people just prefer the more kind of natural wood of the acacia wood. But anyway, let me know what you think. And then the back, all solid acacia. This one's really pretty as well. All right. This one does have a satin finish on it. So really kind of a nice satin finish. Let me do some playing and then we'll dive into the rest of it. I mean, this thing, high G, absolutely incredible sounding. We'll just stop it right there. All right, spruce tops. Before I get to the rest of it, you got the resonance, the sustain, the volume, the nice crisp tones, the really nice shimmery high end of this. This is what players like. This is why builders like to use spruce tops. You just can't get this tone from any other wood. So if you're looking for something that cuts through, it's got a little bit of punch, this is what you want, the spruce top. Now, what's nice about these particular Opios is when you mix it with this acacia wood, the all-solid acacia wood, which is part of the koa family. Koa and acacia are part of the same family. Then you get nice kind of the warmth of the acacia wood mixed in with the brightness of the spruce top, and you get a really nice, lush, clear tone, as you can see or hear just as I'm playing this thing. All right. When we get to the neck here, we do have a solid mahogany neck. This does have a satin finish on it. I'm going to talk about these tuners here in a second. This has got the KoAloha friction tuners on it. You do have the KoAloha headstock. The nut width here is 1 7/16. And then you do have the 15-inch scale lengths from the nut to the saddle. Now, let me talk to you about these friction tuners. Some people like them, some people don't like them. They obviously, I mean, just look at them. They look super cool because when you're looking at the front, you can't see them, and then they just kind of shoot out the back. So looks-wise, they kind of have that real vintage look on, so I think they're cool. What happens with these sometimes is that the screw right here, will loosen up, and then you go and you try to tune it, and it keeps slipping. So then people say they're not good. They're not good tuners because they keep on slipping. Let me show you the solution. All you got to do is grab a screwdriver, Phillips head, and just give them a little turn. Just crank them out a little bit until they're tight. And then when you tune it up, they won't slip. Super easy solution, but I do get calls when people are having issues with these friction tuners, and that's the solution. Phillips head screwdriver and just tune it up. All right, let me do some more playing. I'll do some finger picking here, and then yeah, we'll whatever else I can come to my mind with this thing. But let me do some finger picking first. All right, I'll take that little blues right there. By the way, I don't think I mentioned this. If you're interested in these, you can get them at one place, your number one store online. That's store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so this is the KoAloha KCO-10S. Absolutely fantastic. What are your thoughts on these? By the way, they do have the lifetime warranty, and they also do come with a KoAloha padded gig bag as well. Although, a couple things here. I do recommend always upgrading to a hard shell case, safe for transit. 2, this is all solid wood. You definitely want to get a humidifier with this. The Bovettas are great. The Oasis OH18s are great. But do not get not only this one, but any solid wood ukulele without getting a humidifier. I don't care where you live, what's the environment. The Bovettas are great because they're two-way. They absorb humidity and they release humidity. Or if it's really dry where you're at, the Oasis OH18, they just release humidity and they're refillable. So, but whatever you do, I don't care where you live, make sure, mark my words, trust me on this one, get a humidifier when you're getting any kind of solid wood ukulele, or even if it's just even a solid top. All right. That's going to do it for me here. Thanks for being here. I appreciate all the support, the comments, smashing that like button, and subscribing to the channel. That's going to do it for me. If you dig what we're doing over here and you want to get better at the ukulele, make sure to check out ukelikethepros.com. Check out my courses. Check out my premium membership. Come be part of the Uke Like the Pros Nation. All right? Until then, be safe. Have a good one, and we'll see you next time.